Google just launched Flow, an AI-powered filmmaking tool built for the next generation of storytellers. It's cinematic, it's collaborative, and it runs on Google's most advanced models, VO3, Imagen, and Gemini. In this video, I'll show you how this new AI tool works and how you can start creating content using this AI tool. Introducing Flow. This tool was built by filmmakers, for filmmakers. With Flow, you can do the following. Create cinematic clips from natural prompts. Use consistent characters and assets across scenes. Control shots with advanced camera tools. Seamlessly edit with continuous motion. Learn from real examples via Flow TV. Flow is powered by Google's most advanced AI stack. VO3, a top-tier generative video with photorealism and physics. Gemini, for natural prompting and story logic. Imagen, for asset creation from text or sketches. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button now. Like and share this video. And don't forget to turn on the notification button. Take a look at this video. Everything was made using Flow.
Two adopted brothers face to face for the first time in forever. The tension thick enough to slice with a sharpened katana. But let's take a trip back in time before these two reunited. Both lived very different lives. But somehow, they were drawn back together. Meet Liam Callahan. The mohawk, not a face, the jacket, been through 5 fires and a small war. He's the kind of bloke who orders shots before the fight starts. Ex-elite sniper, ex-everything really. Muay Thai brawler. Former lead singer of a punk rock band called Meat Confetti. He's wrestled reptiles, cracked ribs in 4 countries, and once broke out of a Siberian prison with shoelaces and a chocolate bar. Reckless, sure, but brilliant like lightning, loud, wild, and impossible to ignore. Call him chaos, call him mad, but never call him boring. Then there's Des Miller, known in certain circles as the Ghost, not because he disappears, because he never makes a sound. Ex-CIA black bag specialist. The man has 3 passports, 5 bank accounts, and 1 expression. He's out-negotiated warlords, outplayed billionaires, and once talked a cartel boss into surrendering with a look. If Liam's a hurricane, Des is a scalpel in a tailored coat. He doesn't improvise, he orchestrates, no mess, no noise, just results. Tonight they're back in the same room, sharing dinner, swapping stories, one-upping each other like only adopted brothers with a lifetime of grudges can. And just when the dessert menus hit the table, the ping, same time, same client, same job, each other. Now the wine's flying, knives are dancing, and New York's most exclusive restaurant is about to become a 5-star war zone. Two legends, one last course, and absolutely no reservations. How does this end? The only way it can. Because now, their lives are going to be dealt with on their own terms. For the first time, they both call the shots. A realisation of brotherhood, a truce. Their bond is deeper than a Saturday night hit job, you know. Now they just have to get the hell out of Dodge. And both now have to become proper ghosts.
How was that? I'm sure your imagination is running wild now. Now let me show you the key features of Flow. Flow offers stunning cinematic capabilities, allowing for pro-quality visuals and storytelling. These features include camera control, which allows you to master every angle, zoom, and pan. Scene Builder, which allows you to extend shots or transition into new ones. Asset Manager. This helps you to organize characters, locations, and prompts. With Flow TV, you can watch how others build films with full prompt history. Here is a guide on how you can start your creation.